Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login 8. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to create an avatar on Instagram. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your Instagram mobile application. Then you'll be redirected to your Instagram homepage. In this page, you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then you'll be on your profile page of Instagram. In this page, you can see the option of edit profile besides share profile. Tap on edit profile option. In the edit profile page, you can see the option of edit picture or avatar below your profile and avatar icon. Tap on edit picture or avatar. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen where you can see your profile icon option and avatar option. Tap on your avatar option. After you tap on your avatar option, you'll see the option of create avatar on the bottom of your screen. Tap on create avatar option. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this where you can choose a skin tone for your avatar. After you're done with choosing a skin tone, tap on next on the bottom of your page. After that, you will have to select a hairstyle. You can select any hairstyle of your choice by scrolling down on the various options on your screen and tapping on next on the bottom of your page. After that, you'll have to select a hair color. You can select any color of your choice and tap on next on the bottom of your screen. Then select a face shape. You can select any width and shape you want and tap on next on the bottom of your screen. Finally, select an outfit of your choice and tap on done on the bottom of your page. Below done, you can see the option of more personalization and you can tap on that option if you want to add more details to your avatar. You can slide and see various options you can change. You can see the body option and tap on any body you like and many more. After that, tap on save on the right upper corner of your screen. Then a menu like this will pop up and you'll have to tap on save changes. After that, you've successfully created an avatar on Instagram. You can show off your avatar's new look with profile updates and personalized stickers on Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.